for premium market opportunities, presenting premium and exclusive service for investors by Kalkine.
Good morning and welcome to the ASX at Breakfast report. I'm Rachel, live from Kalkine Studios in Sydney. Now, Australian shares are set to open higher this morning, tracking overnight gains on Wall Street after more dovish than expected comments from the Federal Reserve Chair, while weaker commodity prices were likely to drag mining and energy stocks lower. The local share price index futures rose 0.3%. A 39.6 point discount to the underlying S&P ASX 200 index close. The benchmark rose 0.1% yesterday. Looking to business news from today now, and AMP today announced the completion of the sale and transfer of the Collimate Capital international infrastructure equity business to Digital Bridge Group. The completion supports the delivery of AMP's strategic objective to simplify its portfolio and focus on its core businesses of retail banking and wealth management in Australia and New Zealand. Total value realised is $582 million. And IAG is continuing to support customers affected by the severe storms and flooding in Auckland and the North Island, which started on the 27th of January. More than 15,000 claims have been lodged across IAG's AMI State, NZI and partner brands as at the 3rd of February. Based on a combination of IAG's catastrophic and whole-of-account quota share arrangements, the maximum event retention at the 1st of January this year was $236 million. A preliminary assessment of expected claims for the Auckland event indicates that the natural perils cost impact net of reinsurance will be at the $236 million retention level. And the Bega Group CEO, Paul van Hoorden, had indicated that he would step down as Chief Executive Officer in the coming months, with a transition to Pete Findlay as the new CEO. The company and Paul have now agreed that Paul will resign his position today. Paul played in the acquisition of the Mondelez grocery business in Australia, bringing home Vegemite, and the reshaping of their dairy ingredient and nutritionals business through the execution of the various Reckitt's transactions and the acquisition of Corite and the acquisition of Lion Dairy and Drinks. Well, it's time for a break now, but stay tuned for more news set to affect your trading day.
If you're looking to keep abreast of the biggest stories from the crypto world, the fate of exchanges and crypto hedge funds during the ongoing bear market, and you're wanting to keep up to date with the best and worst performers in the altcoin space and that of flagship currencies such as Bitcoin and Ethereum, then Kalkine Media's Daily Crypto Catch is absolutely essential viewing for you. Tune in each afternoon right here on Kalkine Media to get the latest scoop from Anchor to Zero Coin.
Welcome back to the ASX at Breakfast report. Over in the US, and the S&P 500 rose to its highest level in 5 months yesterday as better than expected Meta results. S&P 500 jumped 1.47%. Meanwhile, the tech-heavy Nasdaq added 3.25%, or its highest level since September, and the Dow Jones Industrial Average underperformed, falling 0.11%. Now, across the Atlantic, European markets closed higher. London's FTSE added 0.8%, Frankfurt gained 2.2%, while Paris closed 1.3% higher. With oil and Brent crude rose 0.1% to $82.89 a barrel, and spot gold dropped 1.7% to $1,917 an ounce. Well, that's all for our ASX at Breakfast report this morning here at Kalkine TV. Have a great day trading. Stay tuned for more market updates and economic news live throughout the day. I'm Rachel, signing off for now.